So this 2017 Outback, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove and reinstall the driver side door panel. First things first, there's two clips. There's one here and one here. You take a flathead, a pick, there's a little cover. You pull this cover out of the way. There's a screw that goes in there, and this is the type of screw it is. Take your Phillips right here, pull this out. There's another one right here, same deal. Pull the cover out of the way. There's one more screw in there. That screw needs to come out. Once you remove these two screws, this door panel, you're gonna have to get a panel popper tool, clip remover, and get it underneath here somewhere and give it a little bit of room to get your fingers in there. Once you get your fingers in there, you can pop the door panel, and then once it's all loose, lift up and then pull out. And then you got to disconnect your two cables here. And this door panel will hang. You gotta also unplug these. Yeah, this is the hard part, is unplugging these guys. You might have to get a pick. You got a buddy to help you hold the door panel. There's one more. Let me turn this door panel around a little bit. Get this bottom. I don't know why Subaru did this, but instead of putting the release tab on the outside here, they put it on the inside. So there it goes. And don't forget, you got these plugs that go down here to the light. So this guy's out. Put that over to the side. So that's how you remove a door panel on a 2015 Outback. Since we got the door panel out, I'm going to show you guys how to also remove and replace the mirror, the outside mirror at least. This mirror goes on the outside. You got to make sure that this guy goes in through here and kind of just flips around. And you just push it in its place, it'll stay. It's got its own, well, it's supposed to stay. And it's not staying. Once you put the mirror in from the outside, it should stay. It's got like a little pin that holds it. This pin's broken. You might have broken it pulling it out, or it's just stretched out. So you gotta hold it with one hand. And there's these three holes here that you can put through put the screws in. It takes 3 number 10s to put it in, and I'll put one of these guys in, make my life easier. There. Okay, so what you got to do is you got to peel back this sticky tape back, and then through this hole you can get to the 2 bolts, and then the other one's going to go through this hole to get to that bolt. There's 3 number 10s total. If you're having problems with the bolts falling, what we usually do is take some of this stuff and put it on the head of the bolt, and then put it in here, and then it ain't gonna fall out. So let's see if I can get to this screw hole. All right, it's still on there. So let me get that last one, which is in here. All right, all three are in. You got to plug this mirror into here, into there, and then put this stuff back on as best you can. That's how you remove and reinstall a mirror. So again, I had it off already, so watch the video and take the door panel off. And then to get the mirror off, you literally got to peel this back, take those 3 screws out. They're number 10s, 1, 2, and 3, and unplug it from here, and the whole thing slides out. And it's the same way going back in. That's how you remove and reinstall a door mirror on a set. I want to say 15 to 19 Outback is all the same. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and reinstall the door speaker. So on the driver's side door. So obviously I got it all apart. I've made a video on how to take the door panel off, so watch that video and then you can get to this speaker. There's four screws, literally 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you just wiggle it, it'll come out. There's a tab right here that slides into here. So, and it unplugs right here. You just push the clip and it slides out like that. So going back in, same way, you know, that, but make sure that this clip goes in like this and then down so it stays. And then just put the screws back in like so. Now if you're upgrading it to an aftermarket speaker, you might, you know, have a different mounting bracket, but this is how you take it apart, put it back together. Very simple. Shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes with the door panel. That's how you remove and replace and reinstall a door speaker in a Subaru Outback. I'm putting the door panel back on the car now. I showed you guys how to take it off earlier, and we replaced the speaker. So you get this plug right here goes right here. Make sure you plug that in. And then this is the light one. It goes down here. That goes plugged in. These 3 guys here, make sure these guys get plugged in. Alright, all 3 of those are plugged in. And then you gotta get these guys in their little slots. They only go one way. The top is the light blue, the bottom is the black, but you can't put the one in the other one in the other. They're size, one's bigger and one's smaller, so you can't really mess them up. After that, what I do is I'll put the door panel up on top of the railing first, and then look over here, see all these tabs are lined up to the holes, and then you just push them in. I'll go in. Pretty simple. And then for the final step, you gotta put these screws in. The one that goes right here, and then there was one that goes right in here. And then make sure you put your little caps back on. Like so. If I can get them back on. These guys. There he goes. There he goes. And that's how you remove and replace and reinstall the door panel. Thanks for watching, guys, and look forward to more videos from our Outback. We've also made all this video for the passenger door, so subscribe to our channel, look through the videos, and turn on that notification button if you get an Outback or Forester or an Impreza.